Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Klarna to Apple Wallet. These are the step-by-step guide to do it. Let's get started. First, go to your Settings app and once inside, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Now you'll see all your currently linked cards. Tap Add Card, then choose Debit or Credit Card. In the next step, search for the Klarna. When it shows up, tap on it. And then here you'll be prompted to download the Klarna app if you haven't already. You must have the Klarna app installed to complete the setup. Then after that, the Klarna app is installed and set up. Go back to your Apple Wallet and follow the prompts to verify your Klarna card. And that's it. Your Klarna card is now ready to use with Apple Pay. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.